Introducing VoteFest, the #1 USSD voting competition platform in Nigeria today. What is USSD? USSD, or Unstructured Supplementary Service Data, is a communications protocol used by GSM cellular telephones to communicate with the mobile network operators' computers. It is typically used for services such as balance checks, mobile money transactions, and other network services. When used for voting, USSD provides a simple, text-based method for users to cast their votes via their mobile phones. What is USSD for voting? USSD for voting is a platform that involves using a universal short code that voters can dial on their mobile phones to vote for their favorite contestants real-time. Voting can be done on the phone or online menu. This menu is text-based and interactive, allowing voters to select options and submit their votes in real time. What are the major differences between SMS voting and USSD voting? SMS voting debits phone credit while USSD voting debits bank account balance. SMS voting cannot debit more than 100 naira while USSD voting can debit up to 150,000 naira. SMS voting pays very low and delayed revenue payout while USSD voting pays within 72 hours. Advantages of USSD for voting. Accessibility. Works on any mobile phone, including basic feature phones, without requiring internet access. Ease of use. Simply dial the contestant structured code and send or transfer funds into contestant virtual account. Real-time interaction. Ensures that votes are submitted instantly and provides live voting results in a dashboard. Returns on investment. Gives the sponsors favorable revenue payout within 72 hours. Annual subscription. Its affordable annual subscription fee allows you to run unlimited competitions within a year. Universality. USSD code for voting is unique and universal across all major banks in Nigeria. Here are some of our competitions. Do you have an upcoming voting competition? Contact us today or visit our VoteFest website.